Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be reacting to another funny iDubbbz and H3 collab where they eat pig feet. So let's get started.
Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Legit Review. Legit. You're going to say it at the same time? Let's do it at the same time. Epic Food Review. You're just a fucking clown. Epic. I'm here with fucking clown. Obviously he's wearing a clown t-shirt. H3productions.com. Check us out on YouTube and RSS feed on iTunes everywhere. I'm not gonna pound it, you fucking dumbass. H3 everybody. Today we're gonna find some pig's feet. We're gonna go take a hike, a trail hike. What? And what are we eating? Pig's feet. Oh, what the fuck, Dad? You just spit in my eye. Why do I even hang out with you? Sorry, let me get that for you. No. We're gonna get some pig's feet today. I thought you said we were searching for like acorns. We're not squirrels. We're not getting acorns. I told you pig's feet from the very beginning. You know we don't eat pork, right? Why is that? I'm a fucking Jew. I'm kosher, dog. It's not halal. You're Jewish? It's not halal, dad. What's halal? I don't eat pork. I tell you that every time before we shoot these videos. I said I'm a Jew. I'm halal. I don't eat pork. Especially not pig feet. Okay? Jews are so funny when they get mad. I don't eat pork. I told you this. Springless front suspension. I didn't forget. Okay? Your cute little edit in that last video you made. Just take a bite. You can spit it out. It's fine. Just take a hike with me and then take a bite with me. A hike and a bite? Hike and a bite. Hike and a bite? Yeah. You okay with that? You think pig feet is a good place to start? Pig feet's a great place to start. You start at the hoof, you work your way up to the back fat. Sort of crap my hand in. Subscribe to H3 Productions on YouTube and follow us on iTunes. Don't do that. Tower Babble? It's Tower Babble. What's your name? Meep? Yeah. That's cool, man. When I get back to the fucking phone, or you want to go over some dogs? Shut the fuck up. I love dogs, cunt. You don't fucking care about dogs. You don't care about Simba. You I just realized. You ass bitch. We all have cats on our shirts. Yeah, I just want to say for the record, okay, Ian made me wear this shirt. I didn't bring this. We're gonna fucking go have fun at the park and maybe put this dumbass shit in. Like he doesn't like cats, internet. Well, how do we feel about that? I don't like cats. And I don't like posers who pretend like they like the Lion King when they don't give a fuck about Simba. I love Simba. It's not what I fucking simple bare necessities. Forget about your worries and your strife. You know I was telling you that pigs are around like water? Yeah, like there's water right here. No, that's a big drip. It smells fresh, but it's a little funky. A little funky? Yeah, maybe we should follow the source. Yeah, let's investigate the funk. Holy shit! It says if the Mexican eats it, then it's fine for me to eat it. Like a schmeagle bit. Hey, it's just me and over here with the fucking bread stuff to me. You have a lot of anger issues. I'm hungry. I didn't eat lunch and you're like, Lord of the Flying me with this shit? Lord of the Flying, you? Where's the coffee? Pigs, these aren't flies? Yeah, you know the story of Lord of the Flies? Yeah, a bunch of kids throw rocks at each other. Okay, well, I'm going to get my sign and my spray paint and we're going to get this review started. You think you're going to be okay with that, Piggy? I'll try it. I'm hungry, dude. Let's just eat. Epic Pig Food Review. That's not how it goes. It's not epic. It should be epic. It's not epic. Why would it be epic? It's not fucking epic's gay. Is that what the kids say? No, we say epic ironically. Yeah, that's so epic, dude. Yeah, this is epic as fuck. It's not fucking legit. What are you, like an 80s hip hopper? Are you trying to make legit cool again? Epic, dad. What epic meme? You're disgusting. Troll face? No. Don't. You can stop it. I'm trying to touch the side. It gives texture. It gives it cool hip hop. You can do that after. I don't want want it to be legit or you want it to be epic? Which do you want it to be? I want it to be epic. Then that's how it's epic, dog. We have to eat this, okay? Quit throwing it on cardboard. I trust me, the cardboard's not making it filthier. There's eagles starting to fucking circle our asses, dude. This is fucking epic. I'm not happy about it. Do you have like a hand signal for epic? Like, what do you do in your opening? So I would say epic is more like, you know, and then you turn that sideways. You go, epic. I don't have it. Kids are epic. Circling them. It was really bothering me because I don't have a hat and I can't turn it like that. No, it feels great. I'm telling you, it feels really good. Turn it sideways though. You have to feel epic when you do it. If you don't feel epic, it's not going to look epic. What's up, pimps? If you like epic, drop a like. And if you like legit, leave a comment. Street Productions and follow us on RSS feed. Fuck you! You insolent little fuck. Yeah, get in there. I think we should reshoot it and holding the sign and being like the fucking dead. What up, dudes? Welcome back to another epic. Wow. The fuck, dude? I swear to God, it's not the pig's feet, dude. It's a Starbucks breakfast sandwich I ate this morning. It's not the pig's feet. What the fuck? We're just supposed to come out here for a hike and have a good time, and I'm sitting here violating my religion, and they were supposed to eat bread, and you're puking and smoke. I'm good. Wow. Hey, dude, check that out. And you got me in a stupid-ass fucking cat meme shirt, and then everyone's gonna meme me and put like, oh, look what a fucking normie Ethan is with his cat memes. Cut on the top of my ass. You got the worst of both. What's wrong with your puke, by the way? Why does it look like baby puke? Does it look that bad now? Does it look like baby puke anymore? Hey, guys. Having a good day? Good. Alright, well, fuck you. And fuck your shit fandom of the Lion King. Okay? Fuck it, Dad. You come out here and scream. I will hurt you. Are you fucking with me, Dad? I will hurt you if you do that again to me. You will really regret that, Ethan Klein. Make sure you get this on me killing him. Yeah, make sure you get this on camera, okay? Because this is the last fucking time I come to your shitty pig feet reviews. You're gonna eat this? Yeah, you're eating it. I'm not eating it. Oh yeah, you're eating it. I'm not eating it. You're fucking eating it. Voter, I said my friend. I'm a culture friend. The world of all. I've been you would not want me to eat pork. I am against my religion. Apologize. Now say epic. It's better than legit. You knocked the window out of me. I can only breathe. Epic is better than legit. Epic. I will never make Ethan eat pork. I will never make Ethan eat pork. Subscribe to H3 Productions and check me out on my RSS feed. Go to Jose.com. Use code H3 for 50.
Anyway, guys, that was the reaction video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for the support. It means a lot. Until next time, peace out.